white. Diretso sila dito.
You have a shower.
Ayan na yung... Guys, eto, the next day na to na pagpapanggap ko na kunwari, nagtatampo ako kaysa kasi kanina, inaano niya ako, hinahalik-halikan niya ako, tapos maarte-arte na naman ako. Tapos pumunta siya dito habang nag-aayos ako, sabi niya, what are you doing, mommy? Can I hug you now? Can you hug me? Gagano'n siya. Batiin ko na siya kasi kawawa.
Sorry.
Mom? Sorry for what? Not answering right away?
Mom,
Huh?
Mom,
Yan, nag-joke lang ako kasi baka sabihin niya, sinaktan ko siya. Okay? Okay, so guys, okay na kami ni Zach. Yeah, I love you, Zaki. Halik mo si mama. Halik mo si mama. Love you. Love you. So, okay na kami guys kasi masakit na rin sa puso kasi kanina pagising niya, pumunta agad siya sa bed namin and niyayakap niya ako. Mom, hug me, hug me. Kahapon pa siya lagi nagsasabi na i-hug ko na siya. Hindi ko siya hinahug. It's in the plastic. Where's... plastic bag. It's in the car. So, yun na yun, guys. So, ginujoke ko lang naman si Sak. Okay na. Tapos na yung pagkukunwari ko kay Sak na nagtatampo. Ayan. Nag-i-impake. Hindi nag-i-impake. Nilalagay na namin yung mga gamit sa car.
Hey guys.
Good morning. Huh?
Yeah, I can't touch the roof.
You are what? Taller than me?
Yes.
Because what?
I can't touch the roof.
Kasi raw, natatouch niya yung roof ng car. And dapat may golf lesson si Sak ng... Where's my...
He doesn't have it.
Yeah, I know that. May golf lesson si Sak ng... What time? What time supposed to be? 8 o'clock. Na may golf lesson si Sak ng 8 o'clock. Hindi na natuloy. Nag-email yung... yung coach kay Jang kahapon, kagabi na during dinner na daw, hindi na raw matutuloy yung golf lesson for today kasi nga, dahil sa diba, grabe na to. Alam nyo ba na maraming may mga store na dito na hindi na sila nagtatanggap ng cash. Card na dapat ang ibabayad mo dahil nga, diba? Yes? No McDonald's, o diba? Sinili ako ng McDonald's. So, hindi ko pa alam. Gusto ko saan pumunta ng Chinatown, pero eto, ayaw niya. Kasi gusto ko mag... It's closed? Are you sure? How about...
Sunday, Monday.
How about other, Asian store, Han? Just to get rice, honey.
Mom.
Yeah?
Might get it.
Search lang kami ng malapit na Asian store dito sa area. Doon dapat sa malaki sa Chinatown, pero kahapon sabi niya hindi raw pagbukas yun ngayon, hindi sila sasama, ako lang. Tapos may mask ako kasi nga, diba, nakakatakot din kasi yes.
Are you on a coast?
We'll see na.
Take the 13
Kaya naghanap siya ng malapit. Okay? How many minutes, hon? How many minutes? 13 minutes. Mayroon. Malapit lang. 13 minutes lang. So, tingnan natin kung mayroon silang bigas.
There's no white one, then there's no fossil. And there's your table.
What's that, Holly?
I don't have...
Sabi kasi ni Sa, why you need to get your rice here, Mom? And Holly said, what did you say to Kuya Sak? Louder? Hurry up, louder. Kanina sabi, you know, there's no rice and toilet paper in the grocery. You know, sabi niya guys. So, nahanap na namin yung Asian store. Ito yung pinunta namin dati ni Ray's. Nadala na ako dito ni Ray's. Baba, you're not coming.
I'm a girl.
You are a girl. Yes, baby. Not this time, Baba. No.
You might get sick, Bob.
That's right. You're gonna get sick, Baba.
I'm gonna get sick.
Yeah. Gusto niya sumama. Umiiyak si Oli kasi gusto niya sumama. Mag-wear tayo ng
Why are we gonna have to take glasses off?
mask. Kasi ingat-ingat tayo ngayon sa panahong ito. Diba? First time kong magsuot ng mask.
Mom?
Ay, hindi pala first time kasi nung nag-train ako dati,
Mom?
nagsuot din ako nito.
You look like a shooter girl.
I look like what?
A shooter girl.
A shooter girl? Nahanap ko yung alcohol.
Mom, it's blurry. Mom. People think you're from China.
People think I'm from China. Hala, nasa na yung alcohol ko, Baba? Nawawala yung alcohol ko. Tingnan nyo yung dala kong alcohol. Hindi ko mahanap yung isang maliit. So, ito yung dala kong alcohol, yung malaki. Sa Philippines pa tong alcohol ko nabili. Nagtatanong siya. Okay. See ya. Okay, okay. Okay. Ikala ko daw yung lady. Dito. Ako na yung nakamaas. So, dito tayo papasok, guys. Guys, mayroon sila ditong bigas. Oh. Kuha ko ng dalawa. Pagpasok ko, nakita ko agad mayroon silang bigas. Bayaran ko na muna yung dalawa. Yeah. I'll pay 2, please. Okay, thank you. Bayad na natin yung dalawang sakong bigas. Tingin-tingin muna tayo dito. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niya ako. Alam niyo ba, sa kakamadali ko, kasi si Jan, tinatawag niya na ako kasi marami nang pumupunta dito sa Asian store. Alam niyo ba, magkaiba yung tsinelas na suit ko kasi may dalawang tsinelas sa harapan ko. Ngayon ko na lang napansin kasi sabi ko, para yung isa malambot, yung isa parang magaspang. Kasi tingnan niyo, oh. Ako na talaga yung magkaiba ang tsinelas kung nag-grocery dito. May nahanap ako dito, ano, yung, hindi ko matandaan yung pangalan, pero alam kong itsura. Iba talaga ang tsinelas ko. Sana hindi mapansin ng tao. Tinitingnan ako ni Julia. Pamuna ko ng basket pala. Ang dami nilang ano dito. Oh, mga buto-buto. Kaso wala kaming dalang ano, fridge sa car. Dito tayo sa may mga vegetables and fruits. Hanap tayong mga gulay. Tapos na ako, guys. Hinihintay ko na lang yung dalawang sakong bigas. Andito na yung aking mga pinamili. Oh. Yes. Thank you. Hinihintay ko lang yung lalaki. Yung tutulong sa akin. Ayan yung dalawang sakong bigas. We got rice, boys! Ina-arrange niya lang kasi hindi kasya. Kasi nga, di ba, nandun yung mga golf stick na mga bata. What's wrong, Zach?
Mom?
Yes. Kumasya siya, guys. Okay, Han? Han? Look at my slipper. Bibili sana ako ng alcohol kaso naubos na rin. Ang daming bumibili ng alcohol sa kanila. Hi, Kuya.
Hi, Mom.
Nag-alcohol na ako, guys.
Mom.
Hi. Okay, wait.
This is what
Tayo ng wipes at saka alcohol.
All the way. Cut. All the way. Dumb.
Ano ko lang ba sa akin?
That's not the alcohol.
Bago tayo pumasok dito sa car.
No, this is that alcohol. Mama!
Yes.
Kenny knows.
Oh, yeah. This is done, Papa. I don't need that one. Finally makakain na ako.
I want to put my seatbelt on. I come from right.
Okay. Huh?
We're taking the dip.
Where?
The
Dadang kami sa ibang way, hindi dun sa may mga winery. Kasi yung pinupuntahan namin lagi, papunta dito, siya kapabalik. Yung sa winery. Ngayon daw, sa isang way, they have lake, the right hand?
Huh?
They have lake in the, what you call that?
The Chona South Road.
Oh, basta yun na yun.
Turn right.
It's alright. Yeah, I will take this mask. Ang hirap pala pag nakamask ka, guys. Kaya parang hindi ka makahinga. Tapos, Basta, hindi siya komportable. Kawawa yung mga nag-work sa mga ano, diba? Doon sa may mga, yung mga sa hospital. Tapos yung ginagamit pa nilang mask is yung ano talaga, yung parang sobrang higpit. Ito nga, hindi ko hinigpitan kasi feeling ko hindi ako makahinga eh. And, ito yung kinuha. Nasaan na yun? Nawala na. Nasaan na yun? Andito yung, ito guys, yung kinuha ni Jan na toilet paper. Never kaming umuwi ng toilet paper. Ngayon lang, may train na dadaan guys. Naabutan kami. And eto, yung, eto ba, para siyang EDSA, no? Para siyang, nire-remind ako na nasa EDSA ako. Nasaan yung train? Dadaan na train. Where? Ayun na yung tram ba yan, kuya?
Yeah.
Yun na, yun lang naman. Ano lang naman, maiksi lang naman siya. Natatawa kayo kasi si Sak, na number 2 daw siya, napupup siya guys. Tayo.
I've done it before.
Yes.
Why did you let go? I was on the second down, that's when I birdied it.
Did you, kuya?
Yeah, and he had to use please.
Hindi ko yun alam.
That's right.
What's that?
What else would you do? Bring toilet paper?
Guys, narinig nyo yun? Nagpuro si kuya during nag-golf siya kasi hindi niya raw kaya. So what did you use, kuya?
Please.
Kasi hindi niya naman daw expect. Kaya hindi siya nagdala ng tissue paper.
It's good.
Pinakikita silang train. Nakakatawa. Hindi ko yun alam na ginawa yun ni kuya. Si Zach na ano siya. So magana ko yun. Mag-stop kami somewhere.
We lost it.
Can you hold it, Zach? Si Holy tulog
the
na guys.
train.
Oo.
So bad.
Lost Zach.
Zach,
One kilometer.
Sabi ni Jan, huwag kang uutot. Ayan, dito na kami.
Yeah, I gotta do way too.
There's the train tracks here, no?
No. Yep. Step, Papa. Hello, Papa. What did you say? Yes. You fall asleep, Papa. It's alright. Kuya Sak is just doing number 2. Yung kuko, tingnan nyo. Ganun pa. Yes. Okay, wipe. Nagugas na siya dun. Wipe and
No, we're going.
alcohol.
We're going.
Okay, rub it properly, please. Umihi na si kuya, ha? Ayan na si Sak. Go wash your hands. Hurry up. Wash your hands. Go. Ayun siya. Ha. Rub it again. And come in.
Hey, go.
Mag-stop kami dito kasi
Park like that, you'd trip.
may nakapark na dalawang motor na pa ganun ang park, hindi ba pahaba? So kuha kami dito ng tayo ng makakain. And yung tsinelas ko kanina guys, eto dalawa ang nandito kasi kaya nung paglabas ko hindi ko rin alam kung bakit kasi minamadali ako kanina ni Jan. Etong dalawa ang aking naisuot. So ngayon, ayan. Okay, come on. I'm gonna eat.
You're not going to eat your own?
No, I'm just gonna look what they have there, huh?
Or you go get it.
Okay. Baba, I have to tie your hair, okay? Yes, I have. Come on. Ay. Come on, Baba. Dito kami sa restaurant. Ayan, restaurant. Sa may Caltex.
Dad!
Kuya? What town is this? Calaban.
Dad, two.
Okay.
We're having 2.
2, okay. 2 for Kuya, 1 for Holly. This one. So, dito yung kanila. So, meron silang mga
I've only got 1.
chicken, fries. They only have 1. We're gonna ask. Okay, ito yung gusto nila. Luto pa silang French cake, guys. So, hintayin lang namin. Naghahanap siya ng lollies. No lollies, Baba. No lollies. No. Habang naghihintay kami, tingin muna tayo. Meron din silang mga ice cream dito. Yes? I like Magnum. Come on, Baba. Ito na yung cheese crunchy. 6 to guys. Ang kayang dalawa.
Yeah, how do you Kransky? Kransky.
Good. Did you put alcohol? Not yet? Okay. Ah, sorry. Yes, wait. Kuya,
Hang on.
ako na. Inalagay niya lang yung seatbelt ni Holly. Isak na sa ano niya siya. May isak, oh.
It's gonna be too.
Just one for now because, yes, Baba. Holly. Yeah, you have another one here in the...
Oh, also, I wanted it one bag. Oh, in one
No,
bag.
it's too big, Kuya, in one bag. If you want more, you can have another one.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Sobrang init pa kasi binuksan ni Sak yung bintana. Pinapalamig niya. Kasi bagong luto kasi ito eh. Meron din akong isa. Make sure you don't drop it.
Don't drop it, Holly.
Sarap, Kuya, sarap.
Yeah, it makes it good.
Yeah, it tastes so good.
I'm noodle.
No, I'm alright.
What are you doing?
Titingin si Jan ng kanyang lunch. Ayan, oh. Kula ba?
I am fasting.
Okay, wait, baby. Ang laki ng ano namin, mineral. Thanks, Kuya. Say thank you to Kuya. Good girl. What did you get, Ham?
Bacon roll.
Burger roll. Sarap. Naubos ko na, guys. Masarap siya. Sana dalawa din yung kinuha ko. Ayoko ng sausage roll. Ayoko yung pies. Hindi ko yun ano. Sana dalawa rin yung kinain. Kinuha ko nito kasi masarap siya.
Mom, you're not eating us.
No, I'm not gonna eat yours. Mom, you're not eating us. Yung ano ba nila?
I am fasting.
Ha? Ang puhaw ako, Kuya. Where's the water, Kuya? Can I have it, please? Thank you. How about you, Holly? Still going? Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Zach, don't hold the thing. Here, wipes. Good, hand? That's alright. So, ayan. Ano ulit tayo? Drive. Binigyan tayo ni Sak ng sonte.
That is my second pancake time. And then mom's
Sarap.
Dad.
Yep,
My
daw Kuya.
second pancake.
Guys, ito yung dinadaan namin. And may pink lake daw dito. Ayan, no, it's not pink. It's not pink. Sabi pink lake. Wala namang pink lake dito. And yung mga boys, may inaabangan sila na tinatawag nila, what do you call that?
Dip.
Dip. So kaya,
Playground.
and playground. Kaya pinilit nila si Daddy na dito dumaan ngayon. Dahil doon sa deep tsaka sa playground. At saka yun nga, yung pink lake, wala, hindi naman siya pink. Puti naman yun na lake eh. Yung deep na tinatawag, wala na, yun lang. Kasi yung truck guys, nandito, dapat, ang gagawin is,
We can't bloody couldn't do anything.
yeah. Okay, kasi ang gagawin, magdadrive si Jan, tapos gaganon kami. Kasi itong truck nandyan, no, kaya, ay, yung pink lake, hindi pink. Yung deep, hindi naman kami nag-pulse talagang ng ganun kasi dahil sa truck. Walay Sak! The deep, we didn't feel it.
I felt it.
A little bit. Ayan, may lake dito guys. So, hindi ko kung makikita nyo. Hindi nyo makita. Pero may lake dyan.
I've trained. I want to see the big massive lake.
Maybe dito makita nyo yung lake. Ayan yung lake. Yeah, ayan yung lake. And then yung labas daw namin dito ay Kingston, yung may malaking fry fish. Kasi pag hindi dito yung daan namin, ang labas namin ay madadaanan namin ay yung Keith, yung laging kinakainan namin ng fried chicken. Ayan yung lake.
We're here, we're right near the
Malapit na tayo sa playground kasi ayan na yung lake. Medyo matagal din kami hindi na dito dumadaan. When was the last time we took this long time, right? Tagal na
2 years ago.
tagal hindi kami dito dumadaan. Kasi nga, lagi kami kumakain sa, doon sa may, yung chicken na gusto ko. So, kaya hindi kami dumadaan dito. Don't say 7. Basta matagal na talaga. So, yeah. Siguro 3 years ago, Han. When Holly was a little. Oo, maliit pa si Holly. Yun ang naalala ko, yung last namin.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love.
Kuhaan ko si Holly ng leggings.
Holly, you have to stay.
Gina-wear leggings, Baba. Kasi maglalaro siya dito sa buwan. Yeah. Amoy gas nga. Pinapaamoy niya sa your bum. Yeah, I can smell. Ando na yung mga boys. Huh? Yeah. Baba, wait! Sabi ko, picturean ko si Holly dito. Kasi nung baby pa siya, may picture kami dito. Eh. Baba, here, Baba. Come on. Okay. Last time namin na pumunta kami dito, nag-selfie ako, nakasama ko si Holly. Baby pa siya. Naka-pink siyang, nakasuot siya ng pink, tapos may hat siyang pink ata. Nung basta dito yun, nag-picture kami ni Holly ulit. Afternoon. Ito na yung pangalawa niya dito. Ang tagal na namin na hindi nakapunta dito. Maganda dito guys, kasi ayan yung lake, tapos ito yung playground. Where's Kuya? Bye, Kuya! Ayan si Kuya doon, si Kuya. Gusto ni Holly dito. Go, Baba! Pinupush. Oh, Sak! Wait! Wait, Sak! What's on your head? Come here! Wait! Something! There's something on your head. Ano yan? Akala ko uod. Wait! Akala ko uod. Look! Ano siya? Kahoy siya, guys. From here. Balik natin siya dyan. Akala ko uod. Wow, well done, Baba. Nakaakyat siya kasi hindi siya makaakyat dito, oh. Papunta doon sa taas. So, ang ginawa ni Sak, pinupush. Yes. Go, Baba! Go! Hindi mo kinaya, Baba. Thanks, Kuya Sak. Ipupush niya ulit si Holly. Go, Baba. You wait, Baba, ha? There's a little boy here, Baba. Go. Go, Baba. Go. Go, Baba. Pinupush niya isa. Go, Baba. Hindi niya wala na kasi siyang mahawakan. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, okay. Go, Baba. Go. One, two. Where's Kuya Sak? Si Kuya na doon, si Kuya. Si John, kumuha ulit siya ng pagkain dito kasi mayroong mga shops. May bakery. Ayun siya, kumakain siya. Where's Kuya? Ayun si Kuya. Nag-exercise ka, Kuya? Are you working out? So, ab, hip, swinger. So, ayun. Para to sa mga elderly. What's that, Han? Dessert? Wow, yuck, honey. Look at your lips. Your lips all white. What's that? Honey, wipe it, honey. What's that?
Ketchup.
Let me try. Basta mayroon siyang, parang siyang donut na may cream.
So now you're looking for a
Masarap! Where did you get that? Masarap!
I found it on the floor over there.
Ito naman, hindi maayos kausap. Madumi talaga siyang kainin. Sarap! I want one, huh? Can I just...
None left.
Sarap. Sarap. May strawberry siya, right? Jam. Strawberry jam. Sarap. I want one. Ayun yung mga ano. May Foodland. May pharmacy. Tapos doon may bakery. Did you get that from bakery? Over there? I'll look. If they have more. Kuha ako. So dito tayo sa Miningi Bakery. Pasok tayo dito. Ito pala siya guys. Kitchener ban. So ito pala siya guys. Kitchener ban. Ayan yung in-order ni Jan. Kuha tayong isa. Ang dami nila. May cream bun. May honey stick. Ang dami nilang dessert. And meron din dito oh. Pero alam ko ito yung kay Jan. So ito na yung ating Kitchener ban. Hindi ko maintindihan si Jan kanina. Hindi to unusual siyang pangalan para sa akin ha. I got it, huh? Kitchener ban. Yeah. There's 2 more left there. And there's a real one, real cream, but this one is the whipped cream. Yeah, the yellow, mayroon kasing isa yung pinakita sa inyo, palang yellow cream siya. Ito, mas masarap. Sabi ni Jan. So, nandun yung mga bata. Doon ako malapit sa kanila. Si Jan, nandyan lang siya. Pinapanood niya yung mga bata. Kasi for sure, may kakagat. I-share natin to sa kids. So, ito siya guys. Oy, sarap nito guys. Yung unang kagat para sa inyo ha. Hindi ko makagat hanggang dito kasi sobrang kapal niya. Ang sarap niya. Hindi pa ako nakikita ng mga bata. Andun sila oh. Sak, do you wanna try? This? So yummy. Don't hold up it. Look at it. Can you see yourself? Can you lick it please? It's so yucky. Madumi siyang kainin. Wow! Come on! Don't touch, don't touch. Ayan na lang. Kainin lang muna namin. Where's Kuya? Kuya? You wanna try? No, okay. May upo kasi si Kuya. Huh?
Just break it.
Just break it for Kuya? Okay. It's really good, Kuya. Kitchener ban. I have to break it, Kuya, because
I'm sick.
you're not really sick. You just have a... Wait a second, people. Wait, Baba. You don't touch it, Kuya. Just open your mouth. Okay, that one. That's yours. Ayan. Come here. Let me see. Yummy? Don't touch because you touched the... Just... Good boy. Like it? Sarap. Sarap talaga. Tapos ayan yung strawberry jam. Grabe. Ayan siya. One more? Don't touch. Don't touch. Strawberry jam. Don't touch, Baba. Ha?
Get off the slide!
Wait. Hati ang kulit si Kuya. May seagull din dito. Wala na. But, Baba, you want more? Pinupush ni Kuya si Holidan. Harap. Mauubos na namin. Dito ulit siya. Are you a seagull? Si Holly. Baba? Bago maubos. Okay, go. Si Kuya na yung last bite. Don't touch it, okay? So yummy, right, Kuya? Finish. Sarap. Meron doon na maliit na boat. Ayun yung puti. Maganda dito. As in. Lalo pag ganito yung weather. Hindi masyadong malamig. We drink water, okay? Later when we get in the car. Okay, kuya? Lots of water.
I try to relax, I can't even catch my breath. So fly and sex, you're sugar-free but candy. Close eyes, complex. Your own is on, but you want more. You know I'm direct, and I need you to let him go. Ooh, if I come right, will you let me take you back home? Ooh, when the time's right, will you let me have more? I can't take it no more. I wanna break down them doors and tear the rapper. I can't take it no more. I wanna rip off them clothes and taste I can day. Yeah, and taste I can day.
Tinatawag na kami ni Jan. Come on! Come on, Baba! Last one! Hurry up! Daddy's calling us! Ang dami ko pang sugar. Ah, ayun na sila, kuya! Hurry up! Okay, come on! Hoy, bye! Kuya, so... Hoy! Come on! Last one, hurry up! Nandun na yung dalawang boys. Go! 1, 2, 3, go! Go, Baba! Go! Okay, let's go!
I'm gonna eat more crisps.
Okay, ako.
You have to get
Si Kuya, meron siyang sarili niyang tubig. Where's your water, Kuya? Drink a lot of water, please, Holly.
Golf course.
Where's the golf course? May golf course.
It's stinging!
Natapunan ko kasi yung alcohol yung paa niya.
Dad, have a look at that!
I see you on his own. I try to relax, I can't even catch my breath. So fly and sex, you're sugar-free but candy. Close eyes, complex. Your own is on, but you want more. You know I'm direct, and I need you to let him go. Ooh, if I come right, will you let me take you back home? Ooh, when the time's right, will you let me have more? I can't take it no more. I wanna break down them doors and tear
Dito na kami sa Kingston. Dito yung may malaking cryfish. Nandun siya. Ilang beses na rin kayo dito dumaan pero hindi pa ako nakakapapicture dyan. So, ayan siya. Yung mga bata. Tulog. Look at that, Baba.
It's a big crayfish, Baba.
Big cryfish, Baba. Look. You see? Ayan, nagising na sila. You see that, Baba? Look. Look at that sack. Kingston. Kasi hindi, lagi lang namin ito dinadaan. Hindi kami nag-stop ngayon lang. See that, Baba? Tapos ko ng picturean si Holly and then pinicturean ko yun si John tsaka si Holly dito.
I see you on his own. I try to relax.
Ang laki niya. Yes, baby. We're going soon. Tapos na tayo mag-picture and si Kuya ayaw niyang bumaba. So, wala siyang picture. Bahay na kami, guys. And si Jan, ayan, in-spray niya ulit yung upuan kasi amoy gas pa talaga. Pati yung pants niya, yung damit niya. Si Holly, humingi siya agad-agad ng Fruit Loops. Na-miss niya yung Fruit Loops.
Thank you.
Welcome, Baba. Yes, baby. I'm gonna get your spoon. And maglalaba ako agad-agad kasi maganda pa yung araw. May araw pa. And eto pala yung mga It's alright, that one. Eto pala yung mga nabili ko doon sa Asian store. Aside doon sa dalawang sakong bigas. 25 kilos yung isang sako. So, may dala. So, may 50 kilos ako. Ito, oh. Bawang. Bumili na ako ng bawang. May okra. Yan, basta mga vegetables. Tapos, mga tawag spices. And, maglalaba ako. Ito yung nabili ni Jan na damit sa Underama. Labhan ko kasi nalagyan niya ng dugo. Konting dugo ba? Kasi mayroon siyang na-scratch yata siya dyan. And merong dugo. So sabi ko, labhan ko na. Where are you going? Nakabase na siya. Oh. Where are you going? Going for a lap daw. And yung mga boys. Ayan. So, close ko na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Goodbye. Good night na. Ano, hindi pa naman. Bye, guys. What do you want for dinner?
Corned beef.
Gusto niyo yung corned beef, guys. So,
you can smell cow shit.
yeah, I know. Kasi nadaanan niya yung ano nga, may nadaanan kami mga tayo ng cow. Nasaan ba yun? Yun nga, yung, ano ba yung corned beef na yun na nabili ko? Eto. Ipatikim ko to sa kanila. Kasi gusto ni Kuya yung pure food. Eto, masarap din to. So, eto yung dinner namin. So, yun na guys. Thank you. Bye. Mag-ano pa ako. Mag-unpack pa ako. Ha? You want corned beef? Okay. Good night, guys. Bye. Bye. Nagpaalam na ako sa inyo, guys. Hindi ko pa sila na-unpack. Pero nakapag-load na ako ng mga labahan namin. And pinaliguan ko muna kasi yung mga bata. Kasi diba, pumunta kami ng park. And kayo din ha, doble ingat. As in, pag lumabas kayo ng bahay, ligo agad para iwas sakit tayo. And sana, by the time na mapanood nyo tong vlog ko, tapos na yung virus na yan. And wala na mga, alam mo yun, yung mga, sana tapos na yung panic buying. And si Holly, kinontinue niya yung pagkakain niya ng, yeah, Fruit Loops kasi ko. Let's go have a shower first. So, yun lang.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Baba.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, eat.
My breath, so fly and sex. You're sugar free but candy. Color eyes, complex. Your own is on, but you want more. You know I'm direct, and I paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause